Welcome students. You are most welcome to Missamari Higher Secondary School YouTube channel. So you have been watching Missamari Higher Secondary School YouTube channel for the last few days, where we are discussing on various topics of English grammar as well as composition. Now, today we are just going to discuss on the topic appropriate preposition. Preposition is an important part of English parts of speech. So, before we go to discuss in detail on the appropriate preposition, it is much better, or it is very essential to just have a look at English parts of speech. So, how many parts of speech do we have in English language? 8. What are those? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So these 8 are the parts of speech of English language. Now, today we are just going to concentrate on a particular point, that is preposition. So what is the role of preposition? Why is it important? And how should it be used in using English language in our day-to-day conversation as well as in our English writing? So let's have a quick look at the aspect of appropriate preposition. Now, we have got preposition, but the discussion demands appropriate preposition in our school curriculum. So, what do we mean by appropriate preposition? Preposition, we understand. There are some examples of preposition. Let me give you. To, from, at, on, over, in, etc. These are some examples of prepositions. Now, how can we use these prepositions in using English language? So see, each of these prepositions has its own meaning and use. But the significant point to remember is that a particular preposition with a verb form gives a different meaning. For example, let me show you let us take, for example, another preposition, for. Okay, so see, for. If we use this particular preposition with a verb, its meaning is different. Suppose, look. Look for. Look for means to search. To search, to find something. For example, we can say, what are you looking for? Now, this for, if we use in a different verb, its meaning will be different. Now see, with this particular verb form, if we use look at, the meaning the same verb, but change of the preposition gives a complete different meaning. Now look at. So look at this picture. Look at this picture. Now, to search, here look at, this means to see. The meaning here we have look for means to search, look at, to see. So with the same verb form, if we change the preposition, the meaning keeps changing. This is called appropriate preposition because for a particular meaning, like to search something, we must use for preposition after the verb form look. If we want to show something and I want to draw someone's attention to a particular thing that I am going to show, so then I should use at, that is, look at the picture, or look at this picture, look at the bird, look at the sky, like that, to see something. So same verb form, with the use of different preposition, the meaning changes. This is why it is called appropriate preposition, because if we want to get the meaning of search, we must use for after the verb from look, because for is the appropriate preposition after look to give the meaning of search. Similarly, if we want to show something, or if I want or we want someone to see something, then we should use at after look, because to give the meaning see, at is the appropriate preposition after the verb from look. So if you give any other preposition after this particular verb, so that will give a different meaning. Now see, let me give you another example. Look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Take care, as you know, look after my child. So here see, after, at, for. Now these are the particular preposition after the same verb form, but we have different meaning in each sentence. Here we have to search, look for. So let me give you an example. Look for the pen. Look for the pen. That means search the pen, or look for him. That means where he is, let us find him. So I may ask someone, look for him. That means search him. Now look at this picture, that is already explained. Now look after my child. Here after is the preposition being used after the verb from look, and it gives completely different from meaning from the previous sentences. Here we have the meaning take care or taking care of something or someone. So look after my child, that means I asked someone to look after, that means to take care of my child. So see, completely different meaning we can have using different prepositions after the same verb form.